Troy was a powerful city located in the far northwest region of Turkey, where one of the most legendary wars in history occurred, the Trojan War. Around 1194 BC, King Priam of Troy sent the Trojan prince Paris on a diplomatic mission to Sparta. Paris sailed across the Aegean Sea to Sparta, where he fell instantly in love with the Queen Helen, who was said to be the most beautiful woman in the world. He abducted Helen and fled back across the sea to his home in Troy. For the Greeks, this meant war. They assembled the army, and more than 1,000 ships carrying the Greek soldiers set sail to invade Troy and take Helen back. An epic battle ensued and dragged on for almost a decade. Heroes were made and destroyed on the battlefield, and Prince Paris was killed, but the gates of Troy did not fall. In the 10th year of the war, the Greeks conceived a plan to construct a large wooden horse filled with Greek soldiers and presented it to Troy as a peace offering. The Trojans regarded the horse as a sacred beast and pulled it inside of the gates of Troy. A drunken celebration of their victory followed and continued far into the night. The Greek soldiers hiding in the horse jumped out and opened the gates of the city. And slaughtered the Trojans without mercy, killing the men and enslaving the women and children. Troy was burned to the ground.